Hello everyone. The Board of Control for Cricket in India has unveiled a support framework for the Cricket Association for the Blind in India, emphasizing its commitment to inclusive growth and enhanced opportunities in Indian cricket. This announcement comes in light of the significant achievements of India's visually impaired cricketers, who have secured multiple Men's World Cup titles and celebrated a historic inaugural Women's World Cup victory over the past decade. Recognizing the challenges faced by blind cricketers, the BCCI has pledged support for both the men's and women's national teams. This initiative underscores the importance of inclusive growth in cricket, a principle championed by ICC Chairman Jai Shah during his tenure as BCCI Honorary Secretary, and which he continues to advocate in his current role. As part of this initiative, the BCCI will offer international exposure, home series support, and venue access. The framework includes provisions for international travel for 2 overseas tournaments each year for both the men's and women's teams, accommodation for home and visiting teams during bilateral series in India, and access to BCCI-affiliated stadiums and grounds to ensure high-quality playing conditions. BCCI President Mithun Manhas expressed that the accomplishments of India's visually impaired cricketers are a source of great pride for the cricketing community. He stated that through this support framework, the BCCI aims to enhance opportunities, infrastructure, and exposure for these athletes, reinforcing that inclusive growth is central to their vision for the game. He hopes that this support will empower the teams to strive for excellence and inspire more individuals to engage with the sport. BCCI Honorary Secretary Devajit Sakia added that the BCCI is dedicated to supporting initiatives that broaden access to the game. He highlighted that extending support to CABI is a crucial step in ensuring that visually impaired cricketers have the necessary facilities and assistance to compete confidently both domestically and internationally. He noted that benefiting from BCCI-supported infrastructure and match environments will elevate their experience and professional standards in blind cricket across India. The BCCI is eager to collaborate with CABI to advance these initiatives and create more opportunities for cricket for the blind in India. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.